How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, where I catch bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today I want to talk about everyone's favorite ticker, the ticker that can make generation wealth, and that is ticker Tesla. And obviously, it's been going down, so I want to talk about it because it's starting to almost meet my criteria for a bottom reversal, as I do like catching bottoms. And I'll show you the past history of how I catch these things and the system, how it detects it. Honestly, do keep in mind, I'll tell you a little about this system. I've been doing this for over 6 years, making consistently money, and it has been very, very accurate, especially on these larger cap stocks of over 95% win rate. And if you guys do love this video, you're not alone. I have lots of members in here, and it's only $6 a month if you want to join the community. You see my exact trade alerts with my setup video to get your chart looking like this. I'll put the link into the YouTube comments below if you're interested. I'm sure you will. But let me show you guys how this system works and what I'm looking at for a bottom reversal. I know a lot of people are in this early, trying to catch the bottom. I'm not in this for transparency, and I will alert it to my premium Discord members when I do get in, if it presents a bottom for my system. Okay, so for example, what I like to do is I'm going to go on the weekly so we can see a bigger picture. Weekly gives you one of those best signals compared to the daily, and then the daily gives you those precise entries. So with the weekly, what you want to see is this. I'm not going to go straight on this, but when the price hits the daily band, that is a huge buy signal if the weekly does that. And then if the price hits the upper band, that is a big sell signal. And then price is always going back to the middle band. As you can see, there's always price hitting this middle band. I'm going to show you why that's important on the daily. It's very important on the daily. So as you can see, you can just use random things like, okay, price goes above here, it goes down and hits the blue band. Price goes above, it sells off. Price above, sells off. Price above, sells off. The weekly is a very strong signal for price to very sell off if it goes above this weekly. Even on these big spikes, it cannot sustain it and it loses all of its gains. So let me go into the daily and show you a more clearer picture. So right in here, like I said, price has to go back to the blue band. Well, guess what happened? Price did what it did. The market makers put the price back to the middle band just how they wanted it to, and then they choose to decide where they want to go. Oftentimes, this is just to me, this looks like a perfect bear flag right in here, and then it goes down lower, right? They're faking everyone out, and then lower to the next down move. So right in here, what I cored is 102 it hit here, and then 215. So that's usually within 2 months max is kind of like the max time frame you see, but within a month you look for a bounce to the upside to that middle band. So if you see this, yeah, this was a perfect example for the bottom reversal to make nice gains, right? Because one, we're hitting the bottom band perfectly. We have a low K, and then guess what? We have a big gap of not hitting the middle band. So there's plenty opportunity right in here to hit this middle band. Having that knowledge is so crucial because price has to hit the middle band. Just keep telling yourself it has to, because it will. It always does. Every gap is getting filled. As you can see, there's a gap here. Price goes lower here and it fills it. There's a gap here. Bigger the gaps, the better. You won't see more than 2 months time frame. You usually get the 1 month to 2 month is what I look for. Price has not hit the bottom band, or it hasn't hit the middle band for a while. This was about a 1 month time frame. Price is giving us a clear buy signal, and then we resume right up to that middle band. That's what you want to see. And it's a high quality stock, so you're getting these nice reversals. Right in here, it gets near, it shoots up, right? Let me see. There's obviously not much. Beautiful. This is beautiful. This is what I really want to see. One of the best buy signals my system showed me. Right in here, we have price hitting 1202. I'm just going to show you some back tests so you guys realize this system works to a T. It has win ratios beyond you can imagine, over 95%. Big cap stocks, you will. I'm not going to say you're never going to lose because anything can happen with the market, but your win ratio is over 95%. 1202 to 117. Record that time. 1202 to 117. 102 plus, so we hit the middle band within 1 month and like 2 week time frame. Like I said, between 1 month and 2 months. 2 months is super long. around 1 month time frame as you start seeing it. So you get one, not a middle band touch, plus a correlation of buys piercing right in here. You accumulate as much shares as you want for this middle band touch. And guess what? We resume a nice rally going up way in here. And if you held, which probably, if you just wanted generation wealth, it goes way up, right? That was nice. So I want to talk about the current because the current matters. I just want to show you the back test to say, hey, okay, this, I'm telling you, it really does work. Obviously, I'm not going to know the most exact bottom. It is impossible. Anyone that tells you they know the most exact bottom is one, lying, and then two, just trying to take your money, right? I'm not trying to sell a service there. I am trying to say this right here can give you precise bottoms with confidence because you know where price has to go back to, and that is the middle band, and you know where you want to buy. It's none of these areas. I see a lot of people on Twitter, YouTube are saying, okay, I'm buying Tesla right in here in the 170s. That is not a buy zone, guys. That is not a buy zone. And then it's, you got a hefty haircut now. Yes, it could pump. It absolutely could have pumped right here. I see where retail traders are saying, well, there's support there, right? Yes, there is support, but that is not what the market makers know what retail wants. They know we're looking at support there. They know that's going to break. So, they have it test here at a bit and say, okay, it looks like it's holding strong. I'm going to put some positions here. It's going to break. Market makers know what we're looking at, just like they know we're looking at this level right in here. They know we're seeing this level. Everyone can see it. Every retail trader can see it. It's not going to be blamed black and white, right? They know that. And a lot of the time, traders lose because of these basic support and resistance that can work, but most of the time they don't. I'm going to wait for this green band to be touched with a large gap. I want to see, honestly, a month of data of this middle band not getting touched, so I have very secured profits that I know can go up there. And then I can put a stop loss right above my average and let it run as much as I can and just keep trailing it. That's what you want to do, right? So this is Tesla. I'm going to say it right now. I'm not in it, and I don't think the bottom is right here. Obviously, we're looking, and this is going to fluctuate. Right now, we're looking at $150 according to the bottom band, and that does correlate to this around over here. This support that a lot of people are watching, but I think this gets broken for a bit. But I'm going to track it. Obviously, this is not a real-time videos, so if you really want to join the premium Discord, that's the only way you're really going to know when I get in, and because I got to look at the real-time data that's coming through. So if you want to join the premium Discord, it's $6 a month. You will not regret it. And you're like, why is it so cheap? Because I know a lot of people are struggling. A lot of people lost money in the market, and not a lot of people have massive accounts, right? So to make $6 a month is super easy to do. And I firmly believe if you don't need to charge a lot. If people love the system, a lot of people are going to come in, right? So you're going to see my exact trade alerts, what I enter and exit. I'm just giving you a little sneak preview. And then setup video, you get some additional videos of how to use time distance, how to trade options, and then how to set up your chart to look like this. A lot of education that you can watch on your time, or you can just follow my alerts. But it helps to watch it so you have the confidence. I give you a brief scenario of how this video works, a brief scenario of what I'm looking for. This gap here, a touch of the bottom band, a low K, which is right in here, that low K value. The last time you've seen that run was right in here, a 7.97. So there's a lot of stuff you got to look at, and I'm always looking at that. So I'm happy to do it for you if you want to join the Discord. And then also you can do it yourself once you learn this system and can be part of the community. If you guys want to join, I'll put the link down below into the YouTube comments to join this community. It'll be in the YouTube description. It'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades. Once you click on that, if you're new to Discord, what it'll take you to is this free chat. It's just a landing page. All you have to do is hit premium chat. That's all you have to do. Right in here, it says subscriptions. There's this little subscription tab. Hit the premium chat. It'll tell you to opt in to subscribe for only $6, and it's slightly cheaper on computer because it avoids an iOS fee. So do keep that in mind. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, comment to me what you think. Any type of engagement helps it spread out to other retail traders. They're learning to find the bottom on Tesla, as there's a lot of talk about it. A lot of people were talking about the bottom, right in here, right in here. I'm gonna give you guys my opinion, and I really think this has got a lot farther a lot further to go down, and we'll see with the system. So I hope to see you guys in, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. And peace out.